Okay, Dr. Esma, people keep asking me the same thing. Is it really possible to get Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange? And honestly, every time I hear that, my curiosity goes electric, because the answer is way more exciting than they think. Before we even reveal the first method, let me just say, if someone's expecting old-school braces, they're in for a surprise.
Rasim, you know what I love? That spark in your voice right before you drop a truth bomb. And yes, patients are shocked when they realize how many modern, nearly invisible ways exist to straighten teeth today. But let's build some intrigue first. Not all methods work for everyone, and one of them can even shift minor crowding in weeks.
Exactly, and I promise you folks, by the time we hit method number 3, most people say, wait, that can straighten teeth? Stay with us. The surprises are just getting started. You know, Dr. Esma, every time someone asks about getting Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange, they usually follow it with a frustrated sigh. It's always something like, Rasim, I hate how my teeth look in photos, or I hide my smile at work meetings. And honestly, those moments hit hard because crooked teeth aren't just cosmetic, they mess with confidence in the tiniest daily interactions.
Rasim, you're right. People think they're alone in these feelings, but in the clinic, I hear the same stories weekly. Someone laughs with their lips tight, someone else avoids video calls. One patient even told me she never shows her teeth during job interviews because she feels judged.
Exactly, and that's why this whole Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange topic matters more than people think. It's not vanity, it's reclaiming natural confidence. Dr. Esma, the more we talk about Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange, the more I realize it's not just a beauty upgrade, it's about opening doors. I remember someone writing to me saying they finally smiled during a family photo after years of hiding. That tiny moment changed how they saw themselves, and honestly, that's huge.
Rasim, I've had similar stories in the clinic. One patient told me resolving her alignment issues helped her speak more clearly during presentations. Another said straightening teeth reduced headaches caused by bad bite pressure. These aren't small wins, they impact daily life deeply.
Exactly. When people say Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange, they're really asking, can I live more confidently and comfortably? And the answer is absolutely yes. Dr. Esma, before we dive into the actual methods for getting Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange, I feel like people need a quick reality check. Most don't realize that nearly half of adults have some form of alignment issue, even if it's mild. And I remember this one viewer who wrote to me, saying he'd lived 20 years with a tiny front tooth twist that secretly bothered him daily.
Rasim, that story is more common than people think. I had a patient, mid-40s, who thought it was too late to fix her teeth. She was shocked when I showed her digital simulations proving otherwise. In a few months, her entire smile changed, and her bite improved too.
Exactly, and that's why talking about Zähne Gerade Zahnspange matters. So many adults think they missed their chance, but no, modern options are incredibly flexible. Dr. Esma, whenever people hear Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange, they assume it's magic. But there's real science behind it, right? I mean, teeth don't just politely move because we ask them to. The body responds to pressure, remodeling tiny bone structures around each tooth. It's wild how biology teams up with modern tech.
Exactly, Rasim. Tooth movement is a controlled biological process. When gentle, consistent force is applied, cells called osteoclasts and osteoblasts reshape the bone. That's why modern aligner systems or micro-adjustment tools work so well. They exploit natural healing and remodeling pathways. It's precise biology, not guesswork.
So basically, Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange isn't futuristic sci-fi. It's the body doing what it always could, just guided by smarter tools. And honestly, that's more impressive than magic. Alright, Dr. Esma, let's get practical. If someone wants Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange, what's the first actionable step they should take? People always imagine it's some complicated maze, but I know you've got a clean, simple roadmap. And honestly, once you see the process broken down, it feels way less intimidating.
Rasim, step 1 is always diagnosis. A full digital scan shows exactly how the teeth sit, where they overlap, and how they move. Step 2 is simulation. We preview the shift before anything starts. Step 3 is choosing the right method, whether it's aligners, micro-adjustment tools, or targeted reshaping. And step 4 is consistency. Even gentle systems need daily use.
So the whole Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange journey is basically scan, simulate, select, stick with it. Simple, smart, and super doable. Dr. Esma, before people jump into any Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange method, we need to talk warnings. Because every time a trend goes viral, someone out there tries a shortcut. I once saw a viewer using a random plastic retainer from an online shop. My heart stopped.
Rasim, that's exactly the danger. People don't realize teeth are biological structures, not puzzle pieces. The number one don't. Never use unregulated DIY aligners. They can damage gums or create bite problems. The do. Always start with a dentist evaluating bone levels, bite symmetry, and root positioning. Proper planning prevents complications.
So, the rule is simple. Smart Zähne Gerade Ohne Zahnspange methods are safe, but only when guided by professionals. No shortcuts, no mystery gadgets, just real science.